How to send a file from Telegram to WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send a file from Telegram to WhatsApp. Now, if you open up the Telegram app first and head into a certain chat, you'll be able to find the file that you have received or sent here. Now you can see a sample PDF here. I just sent it. Now, to send a file that you just received or sent on Telegram is similar process. So I'll just show you this one here. Now what you want to do is long tap on the file and you'll get the option to forward at the top right corner of the screen, just beside the delete icon. You can see there. Tap on forward and you'll be able to only forward it to your contacts on Telegram. You won't be able to send it on other platforms. Now the trick here is what you want to do is simply tap and then tap on the download option right here, and you can see the file has been saved to my downloads. And what you want to do is head into the location that you just downloaded the file. You can see I just downloaded here the sample PDF that I just downloaded here. Simply tap on it and tap on share option, and then you'll be able to select WhatsApp and you can send it to your WhatsApp contacts right here, and you can see the PDF has been sent. So this way you can send a file from Telegram to WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.